Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today, in the weekend edition of Saturday, September the 14th, Sunday, September the 15th, 2024, we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. I will solve this in a minute. We have also a regular samurai Sudoku. This I will solve tomorrow evening. And this evening, Saturday evening, we have here a puzzle page of the weekend edition with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 3 stars binary and a 4 stars binary. We have a 2 stars Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. 4 of these puzzles I will solve in the evening. Tomorrow afternoon, we have an additional for tomorrow on Sunday. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve. We have a letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I've told you earlier. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening, the samurai Sudoku. But now, this regular puzzle. Number 9273. 9273. Let me zoom this. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. Yeah, 27. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3 missing numbers in this row. Middle row, 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row. Shoot there. So 2 numbers left in this middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7, 3, 7, and 3. Alright, and now. Let me see. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. We have 6 and the 3 in this row. So no 6 and the 3 in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 3, 6 and 3. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in the first column. 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, let me see. 9, okay. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Okay. Then, let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 8. Yeah. Let me see. Come on. I need a 2 here. Well, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have 3 in this row, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the third row, no 9 there. The only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column. No, not, we have a 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column. Middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Then 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see, 3, 3. Need a 5. Need a 9. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 9. Alright. And now, let me see. 2 and the... We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next, so in that column the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 6. Okay, now... 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 3 here. But the 8. Well. 1, 2, 3. Well, these 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 8. Well. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 5, 4, and the 3. Need a 5. Come on, come on. Alright, let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Do we have all the 6s here? 5. One of the missing number in this big square is a number 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 8, 8. In this big square we need 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in the first one. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here. Could be there. So we need 8 here. 8 in this row. 8 in one of the 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left on 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 could be here. Could be there. And I need an 8 in this big square. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 5, 8, and I need a 7 here. We have 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big, in the third column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there then. Alright. 7 and a 5, we have 5 now in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, there are only 3 places left. 1, 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. The only place left with 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left here. The 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 4. Then, well. 8, 8. How about a 5? 5, 6, need a 9, need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next on that column. No need to place level 7. Could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column 3, no need to place level 4. Could be here, could be there. And we need a 3 here. 3, 2, 8. 3, 2, 8. I need to wait here. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1? 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Well, this can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 7 should be there. And we have 2 numbers left in this big square. I believe the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again, I've told you, should be at once time, faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Saturday.